Okay, boom. So this just made it to the studio today. This is hot off the press, a collab between LeBron James and also Sony PlayStation. So they did some PlayStation 5 faceplates that you can buy as well, but I have the limited edition DualSense controller in the house right now. And so yeah, on the side of the box, we have Chosen Ones, Build, Uplift, Empower, and also I Promise. So let's go ahead and get inside this box and see what this thing looks like in person. I've seen the pictures, everything looks good, but of course nothing is like it is when you finally have it in your hands. And now for the moment of truth. Well, almost. We have another box to get into. All right, so let's get this thing open, and I think we are now ready for that moment. Well, almost. We have one more. We have one more piece of wrapping, and the moment is finally here. All right, so a little bit of fail on my part there, and ooh-wee, this all black design is looking pretty good here. So I'm happy that they went all black, because that allows these colors and the writing and stuff to really stand out and pop a little bit more. So on the left side of the controller, we do have the King's Crown logo here with some of the PlayStation Square and triangle and circle logos there as well. Then also we have a little kind of the PlayStation symbols in this kind of crown symbol there. And then on the right hand side, we do have Chosen Ones. We have this rocket, and also Build, Uplift, Empower, and I Promise. So the same writing that we saw on the side of the box a little bit earlier. And then right here on the touchpad, right here front and center, we have nothing is given, everything is earned. And this has really been LeBron James' motto here across his entire career, and also with all of the charitable work that he does. All right, so let's take a look at the back here. So we have the logo here for this LeBron James and PlayStation collab. And then also on the bottom right here, it says 330. I don't know exactly what that means. I'll try to find out here in a second. And then on the other side, we do have a basketball logo. And so, yeah, I think that's all of the custom elements here. So, of course, this is the same regular PlayStation 5 DualSense controller. So you have these adaptive triggers here on the back, which are pretty excellent. USB-C port there. And then also this functions as a button and also a touchpad. And then you have the thumbsticks here, the buttons, all that stuff is going to be the same, just like with the regular DualSense controller here that I have here showing you side by side. So yeah, basically you're getting a DualSense controller with a custom paint job here. So this is limited edition. So I don't know how long this thing is going to be available, but if you want one, definitely try to get it soon. And just for kicks, here's a side by side with the DualSense Edge controller that gives you extra customization, paddles on the back and stuff like that. But anyway, here's a side by side. But for this custom LeBron James PlayStation controller, this will be running you an additional $10 in comparison to the regular price of the DualSense controller. So this will be coming in at $79.99. Yeah, I'm not going to make this video go on too long, but here is that limited edition drop with LeBron James and Sony PlayStation. And look, I'm a big fan of LeBron. If you know that already, you know that I really root for him, and I'm not going to do the MJ versus LeBron debate here for this video, but I will say that no matter what you can say about LeBron on the court, I don't think anyone can say anything about him, what he's done off the court, that is negative, because with the LeBron James Family Foundation, the I Promise, and all the things he's done for students and kids, especially in his hometown of Akron, Ohio, the man has done a lot with helping people out with the funds and the resources that he has. And speaking of Akron, Ohio, I did a little research to what that 330 was on the controller, and that's actually the area code for Akron, Ohio. So yeah, the more you know. And so look, I'm always down to support someone else that is also doing a lot of work to support other people. So here's the drop here with LeBron James PlayStation. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this controller. Are you going to pick one up? Drop a comment down below. But like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.